What's up, YouTube? Dylan here with Dylanshomeespressobar, and today we are going to be making my favorite summertime drinks. We are getting into the nice and warm months coming up ahead with the nice summertime ahead of us. So we are going to be making my favorite drink, and that is the Iced Caramel Macchiato. So if you guys haven't already and you guys are new to the channel, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, as that really helps my channel grow to reach more people, to bring you guys into the family and just enjoy this coffee community that we're growing here on my channel. And if you guys are interested, make sure to stay tuned because this recipe is delicious. Let's get it. What's up, coffee and espresso lovers? Dylan here with Dylanshomeespressobar, and this video is going to be a little bit different than what I normally do. So I am just going to be a little bit more relaxed when speaking to you guys, but this is my favorite recipe of all time when it comes to summer drinks. So what we are going to do is, first you are going to make sure that you have a scale. A scale is very important with this recipe. You want to make sure that you have exactly 20 grams when you finish your final dose before you prepare your puck, or whichever basket you may have. I just so happen to be using a 20-gram basket. Make sure to get that nice even distribution and also a nice even tamp as well on all four sides to ensure that you do not have any channeling, as the shot will make a big difference in the end result of your drink. Then you are going to lock that bad boy in the group head, and you are going to go ahead and pull that beautiful shot. You want to make sure that your time is between about 22 to 28 seconds for the desired amount. With this shot, I am going about 20 grams in, and I want about 40 grams out in about 22 to 28 seconds. So let's just stay tuned as we pull the shot. As we're nearing the end of this shot, as you can see, it is coming out pretty evenly, and we are looking like we are going to get our desired dose. So we got about 42.4 grams in about 29 seconds. So I'd say that's a pretty nice shot. So now we are just going to go ahead and clean up our area and prepare the rest of the drink for the shots of espresso. So we're going to be using about 5 pumps of vanilla syrup. I'm using the one from Starbucks. This is going to be for a large. We are going to fill the cup about halfway, and then we are going to go ahead and dump about a cup full of ice. Now we are going to take our 2 lovely shots of espresso that we just pulled, and we are going to dump them in the cup. Next, you are going to use the caramel of your choice. Alright guys, so as you guys just witnessed, that is how I make my iced caramel macchiatos during the hot summer months. So if you guys want to try this recipe and you guys happen to enjoy it, make sure to leave a comment down below and let me know if it was as enjoyable as I find it during the summer months. It's really a thirst quencher and definitely a drink that you should be trying. At the end there, you definitely want to add as much or as little caramel as you want. However, I just add just a little bit just because I don't like too much sugar with my drink. Now, my wife loves a lot more, but that is up to you guys. So again, I want to thank you guys so much for tuning into how to make an iced caramel macchiato with Dylanshomeespressobar. And until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.